In this video, we will cover temporary notation for a star operation so that the proofs of the parts of the theorems will be easier. Let E be a formula composed of atoms P1 to Pn and their negations not P1 to not Pn. Then the star operation turns E into the formula E star by replacing all Pi with not Pi. Notice that this is not the same thing as swapping Pi and not Pi. Some examples could be, if E is P and not Q, then E star is not P and not Q. Or if E is not P or R and not R, then E star is not P or not R and not R. Notice that if E is valid, then E star is also valid, by substitution for atoms, since we have just exchanged atomic components for non-atomic ones. Try utilizing this notation to prove parts A through D of the duality theorem.